COVID-19 has shown how fragile our school's ecosystem woefully is. This is demonstrated by the various interactable projects and hands-on experiences that were no longer accessible to students during this time period. A part of this experience was labs. Labs provided students to better understand different aspects of the sciences and realistically visualize them so that they would be able to make a better sense of different phenomena.
Running off this theme, this project, created by Romir, Tandon, Nikita, Shevyakov, Samuel, and Luca Ramniceanu, helps students understand and complete a lab that requires them to burn food to visualize potential energy content in everyday objects.
The lab operates as such. A student first reads the instructions on the notepad. They can then drag the notepad away and interact with the lab materials. On the right, they are presented with different snacks to burn. In the middle, a scale to measure the mass, and then finally on the left, a ring stand with a can of water.
Students will mass out each object, then burn them underneath a homemade calorimeter by dragging a match. From here, a change in temperature can be observed. Students are then instructed to use the formula Q equals MCAT to calculate how much energy was expended by the combustion reaction, after then also getting the change in mass of the burned object. Using this data, students are then able to calculate the heat content of a food item in nutritional calories per gram.
After the reaction is completed for one object, students are instructed to right-click, where then the experiment will be reset, and then the students are sent to do the same experiment for each of the snacks.
Once all the different calculations are completed, students may use a nutritional label to check their answers and calculate a percent error for the experiment.
This program utilized the Java Swing library and was able to be written by having hitboxes for every interactable item. These items were then checked for collision within specific domains and then sent to the location. The energy expended is actually calculated using the formula provided to the students beforehand to ensure accurate results.
Students are proven to learn more with a hands-on approach. Labs are a necessary part of the school system as they allow for students to retain more information by doing and not just watching.
This concludes our submission for the 2023 Hack JPS Hackathon. Thank you very much for your time and consideration.